Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given question x squared minus y squared equals to 24 and xy equals to 35. We are supposed to find x plus y equals to what? Solution. Then the first thing here is to copy what we have. We have x squared minus y squared equals 24 and is denoted by equation 1. Whereas x y, which equals to 35, will be denoted by equation 2. And you're supposed to find x plus y. Let us come upon to this x squared minus y squared. If you are seeing nicely, this is the difference of two squares. We are going to separate them to get x minus y, then here times x plus y, which equals to 24. Now we can square both sides to get what? Here we shall get squared, and here to get squared. And this exponent of 2, we can make it on each side of variables we have right here to get here x minus y squared, then times x plus y squared, which equals to, here when you say 24 squared, that is 576, right? Then what I have supposed to do on this side here, if you expand this x minus y squared, we can get here x squared plus y squared here, then minus 2xy times here x squared plus y squared, then here will be plus, because we have plus 2xy, then equals to 576. And of course this will be x squared plus y squared minus 2. We have this xy in above equation we have right here to get 35, to mean that this is 2 times 35, then cross bracket times open bracket of x squared plus y squared plus 2, here we have xy is equal to 35, to mean that 2 times 35, then cross bracket, which equals to 576, right? Then this will be x squared plus y squared minus 70, then cross bracket open bracket of, just use this one, of x squared plus y squared, then here plus 70 will be equal to 576. If you are seeing nicely, we have x plus y squared, and here we have x squared plus y squared, and of course here we have 70 and here we have 70. The difference is the sign only, to mean that this can be denoted by a squared minus b squared, and here it can a squared, this can be a minus b times a plus b, which is equal to this one, and we can transform them into difference of two squares to get what? To get x squared plus y squared, then minus 70 squared, which equals to this one. Sorry, this one cannot be difference of two squares, where we shall say that x squared plus y squared, then squared minus 70 squared, which equals to 576. Right, at this stage we shall say x squared plus y squared squared again will be, here we shall say 4900 will be equal to 576. We can group rectangles at this stage to get what? X squared plus y squared, then squared again will be 576, then plus 4,900. And here at this stage, x squared plus y squared, then squared again, we shall write this one 4,900 plus 576 can be written as, here we shall say 5,000, and want to write this one where 400 here 76, yeah. And of course here we have square root, and we want to remove this square root, this square we have. We shall apply square root on both sides to get square root of x squared plus y squared, then squared again is equal to square root of 5,476. And here at this stage we shall remain only x squared plus y squared, which equals to what? And of course, if you are still nicely, square root of 5,476, this is equal to positive on negative of 74. Then at this stage, we shall say that x squared plus y squared equals to 74, or x squared plus y squared equals to negative 74. Now, by come up to this one, x squared plus y squared equals to 74 as equation 1 that we are going to solve right now. And here, in order to get x squared plus y squared is when we have x plus y squared. This is equal to x squared plus y squared, then plus 2xy. We use this one because we want to find only the single x plus y equals to what? So we have this one, x plus y squared will be x squared plus y squared is equal to 74, then plus 2 xy is equal to 35. And here we shall say x plus y squared is equal to 74 plus 70, then this is equal to x plus y squared, which is equal to 144. If apply square root, we shall say square root of x plus y squared is equal to square root of 144. Then x plus y only will be positive or negative 12. What about on equation 2, which is x squared plus y squared is equals to negative 74 as equation 2? And of course we shall doing things which is same as x plus y squared, which equals to x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. And of course here x squared plus y squared is equal to negative 74 plus 70, because we have 2 times 35. And of course this is equal to negative 4. Right, then here we shall say that x plus y squared is equal to negative 4. Applying square root on both sides, this will be x plus y will be positive or negative 2i. And these are the values of x plus y. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.